In the competitive and rapidly evolving cannabis industry of Canada, growers continually seek advanced solutions to improve their cultivation processes. This relentless pursuit of innovation and efficiency brings us to Muskoka Grown, a facility known for its meticulous attention to detail and commitment to clean, contamination-free growing environments. I had the pleasure of speaking with Terry Slemin, the facility maintenance manager at Muskoka Grown, to discover the role of EvenMix mixers in their daily operations and their quest for sustainability. At the heart of Muskoka Grown's state-of-the-art feed room are 8 EvenMix digital mixers working tirelessly to ensure the optimal blend of nutrients for their plants. These aren't just any ordinary mixers. They represent a significant advancement in energy efficiency and operational excellence. Terry Slemin enlightened me on the motivation behind selecting EvenMix for their needs.
We picked EvenMix because the power draw was less than what we were using, and it's saving on our energy costs, and they are working really great, so we are very happy.
The growing cannabis industry is energy-intensive, often resulting in substantial electricity costs that can significantly affect a business's bottom line. By using EvenMix mixers, Muskoka Grown has managed to slash their energy bills while still ensuring a consistent and reliable mixing process. These innovative mixers have been programmed to operate in a cycle of 30 minutes of vigorous mixing, followed by a 30-minute rest period. This systematic method keeps the fertilizers perfectly blended without continuous power consumption, which shows a conscious effort toward energy conservation. Muskoka Grown prides itself on its clean facility. Its team has gone to great lengths to ensure no cross-contamination occurs between the different plant groups. This careful management is crucial in maintaining the purity of their strains and the quality of their product. The fertilizers kept in IBC containers are continuously stirred by EvenMix mixers, which are crucial in nurturing the cannabis from juveniles to fully mature adults ready for harvest and drying. After testing various mixer brands and types, Muskoka Grown found that EvenMix was the superior choice for their operations, as it embodies both the innovation and control they value highly. Not only is Muskoka Grown an impressive operation in terms of control and management, but the addition of EvenMix has been an essential piece of the puzzle to help reduce energy usage. It is also a testament to Muskoka Grown's commitment to energy conservation and environmental responsibility, setting a benchmark for the industry. As Muskoka Grown continues to develop its various cannabis blends, the value of EvenMix mixers becomes increasingly apparent. By facilitating lower energy consumption and consistent fertilizer mixtures, these mixers aren't just tools, but partners in the cultivation process, supporting Muskoka Grown's pursuit of excellence in the Canadian cannabis market. EvenMix plays a pivotal role in the cannabis cultivation process, empowering growers like Muskoka Grown to nurture and harvest cannabis with unmatched precision and consistency. The mixers are essential in delivering balanced nutrition to every plant, ensuring optimal growth from seedling to flowering stages. Muskoka Grown's dedication to producing diverse and quality cannabis strains is greatly enhanced by the ability of EvenMix mixers to maintain uniform blends. This consistency is key to their cultivation process, and EvenMix provides the reliability needed to achieve such high standards. The collaboration between EvenMix and Muskoka Grown goes beyond a mere customer-supplier relationship. It's a partnership that benefits the environment, the business, and ultimately the end consumer. The energy efficiency of EvenMix mixers contributes to the outstanding cannabis quality that positions Muskoka Grown at the forefront of the Canadian market. In the cannabis industry, EvenMix stands out by helping Muskoka Grown in its mission to cultivate cannabis with a commitment to quality, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. This partnership is a model for other producers, underscoring the transformative impact of adopting technological innovations that prioritize sustainability and effectiveness in operations. For more information, visit https://evenmix.com. https://evenmix.com, Cannabis Cultivation, Muskoka Grown, https w.youtube.com, watch, EMRLE5 ISRQ, https muskokagrown.com, https://evenmix.com, product EvenMix electric drive, https://evenmix.com, mixer energy use,